Alan Booth, tell us how you came to write your book.
Okay, well, it came about over a long period of time, really. I was involved in a number of movements to develop history teaching and learning in the UK. A project called History 2000, which I co-directed between 1996 and 2000, which began an international conference in 1998. And we began to draw not only historians from the UK, but historians from the US and Sweden, and a number of other European countries. And I began to be aware that there was an awful lot of literature that needed to be drawn together. And at the time, there were really a few edited volumes, to which I'd edited 2 volumes or co-edited them. And it struck me that it needed somebody to pull all of the literature that they could tolerate, really, together into something that was a coherent whole, that had a sort of certain authorial voice, if you like, that came from one perspective. And that's what I wanted to do. It felt as though it was the right time for me to do it, and particularly in 2000 I'd been involved in setting up the National Subject Centre for History, which was about developing teaching and learning across the UK. So I was meeting more and more people, finding more and more literature, and it just felt the right time to write the book. Whether that was a good idea or not, I'm not entirely sure, because it was very, very hard work drawing on such a wide range of literature, particularly from the US and from the UK, and trying to bring together, not always successfulully, I think, the different contexts that there were there. So that's really how I wrote the thing, and it went through, you perhaps need to know this, maybe 10 or 20 drafts in order. It went through maybe 10 or 20 drafts before it actually, I felt satisfied to let it out.